Hi everyone, Silva here from Silva's Marketing. How are you doing, guys? So welcome to my send and profit review. And as you can see, guys, I have access to the product. I am right inside the members area, and just in a second I will be giving you a proper walk through this product and tell you what it's all about. But in a nutshell, it is a training program by this guy, Sean Dean, and he's a lovely person. I do know him from my super affiliate training, Ministry of Freedom, and he's a legit guy and a very supportive, very sweet, and his products always rock. He has released many products, many successful products. So guys, this is a training course on email marketing. So if you're thinking of building an online business and growing it, email marketing is absolutely essential, and it is a must. And it is a must to get to the bottom of it and learn it properly. Okay, so if that's something you need to do, then pick up this course. You will not regret. It's a very comprehensive training and in-depth, and you will gain a lot of knowledge and new skills that will help your business go to another level. Alright guys, let's check it out. But before we actually do that, I want to show you the bonuses that I have also prepared for you if you pick it up from my via the link that I have attached down below my video, and it's going to take you to this bonus page, and let's check it out. Let's check it out quickly, the bonuses I have for you. So as you can see, first you have the prices here, and this product is actually going, the front end is only going at $7.95, and I'll tell you a secret. On the sales page that I'll be showing in a second, there's a pop-up. If you kind of pretend you want to exit the sales page, this thing is going to pop up with $2 discount. So you're actually getting this for $5.96 if you hurry up. So just under $6, a quality training on email marketing. And here's all of the upsells. I'll be showing you the upsells later on, guys. Now let's check out the bonuses I have, which have been prepared by my mentor Jonah Armstrong, the creator of my super affiliate training course, Ministry of Freedom, and he has allowed me to share these bonuses with my viewers, well, with my buyers who decide to pick up this product via my link. So the first one is the entire course like on how to make money online, called Eclipse. The other one is 2 high quality traffic sources to use, and we know traffic is money, so the more traffic you have, the higher chances you stand to make some serious bucks. And number 3 is 10K email manifesto case study, and the next one is Boomerang Buddy Pro. And as you can see, guys, these bonuses have been prepared in a way to complement Send and Profit beautifully and help you get maximum results with this product. So, and the last one will give you access to all vendor bonuses, and that the vendor has given to me to give to you. And these are the bonuses. So as you can see, that actually on the sales page, 1, 2, 3, 4 bonuses, right? Okay, and they're on the sales page. So guys, from the link which is below my video, you will land, if you click on the link, you will land on this bonus page, and then you just smash one of these red, orangey, I guess red buttons, which are throughout my bonus page, and then you will be redirected to the sales page, where you basically click on this button here, and then the product is yours. And after that, you will be sent an email with the receipt that will redirect you to a platform called Warrior Plus, where you pick up the product. Now my bonuses will be here, where you see this blue circled button, and the profit send and profit is going to be here. Send and profit and the vendors bonuses were the under the green button. All right, let's just very quickly check out the sales page. So not this one. This one here, what do they say? Let's just go through the headlines. So, for anyone looking to start, scale, and grow a digital business in 2021, how to build an ethical online business using nothing but simple email system without ever creating product, without running ads, or even doing customer service. So it is opportunities for all around you. I mean, here are some the main feature and the key benefits of the product. So it works for everyone. It's step-by-step video instructions. And yeah, you've got the $1 million support. It's perfect for beginners. Okay, it's a nice not a website, sales page. But guys, check it out in your own time. You have access to it via my link that is below my video, and of course you get a money back guarantee. It's not too long. It's actually cool. It's not even like a typical sales page because they are normally like very, very lengthy. All right, I won't bore you going through all of that. You can have it. You can have a look. Sorry about the noise. You can have a look yourselves. Now let's actually check out the members area and let me show you what kind of video tutorials you will find inside. So here we have like a welcome video first, and then is module 1, so email marketing mastery. Then while email marketing, then we have magic of autoresponder. So he talks about get response here, and then we have you can click here to sign up free for eWeber. So eWeber Crash Course Part 1, and then eWeber Crash Course Part 2. Then how to design a thank you page, how to create a landing page, and then email automation, MailChimp Crash Course 1, design professional sign-up forms, how to do that, MailChimp email automation, test the automation. So you see loads of tutorial videos. Perfect subject line formula. Okay, so what would be the perfect one? It's very important, what to write and how to catch your potential buyer's attention, and how to write a perfect email. So exactly what I've just said applies. And then the extra bonus so it gets $67 page builder in just $5. Wow. Okay, and my personal $1 million support. If you have any questions, just send me an email he gives you his email, and I'll personally respond to you with comprehensive solution. You see, this guy Sean Dean is a real deal. I love him. He's a very, very friendly guy, and a very experienced marketer. I'm telling you that, I can testify because it's my colleague as well. So here we have the bonuses that I have already shown you on the sales page, right inside the members area. So yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's a no-brainer, guys. Picking it up for just like under $6 while the launch is, while the launch is on. So it's going live in 2 days' time. All right. Well, enjoy it, and don't forget, if you buy it, make the best out of it. Put your mind into it, and it will help you. Like, email marketing is absolutely critical, and it will help your business go to the next level. And guys, you have my bonuses as well if you decide to buy it via my link. So let's check out the prices again very quickly. So as I said, the front end is $7.95, but with those $2 off, you're getting it for $5.95. Then we have option number one email automations for $27, and then upsell number 2, traffic mastery, for $47. Upsell number 3 is 1 month of premium coaching for $297. Wow, 1 month. Okay, 1 month. Bear that in mind, it's a long time. A lot of coaching you can get. And upsell number 4, multiple license. Right, so you can basically sell this product as your own and get 100% commission throughout the whole funnel, which is he's done the hard work for you, and now you can sell it as your own product. Alright, well, enjoy guys, and make the best out of it. If you decide to buy it, you know how to buy it. It's via my link below my video. Okay guys, if you could like, subscribe to my channel. Any questions, put them down below my video. I'll get back to you once I see your questions. Okay, take care, have a beautiful day, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.